Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to be checking out a new collab between Rain and Wang for Magnetic. Rain, I know, is legendary and very talented. Like, you'd be living under a rock in the K-pop world if you didn't know Rain and his incredible talent. Jackson. We all know how on this channel I feel about Jackson. I love Jackson. I love his talent, his creative genius, everything about him. So, I'm very much looking forward to this collab, what the song will sound like, the direction of the music video, all that good stuff. So, let's get into it. Go. Is that him? No, that's not him. Oh no, they're in the portraits. Okay.
Baby, you can be magnetic. 거부할 수 없어 네 맘이 정해 또 아무리 stuck on your life magnetic yeah 우리의 눈빛 마찰이 down 떨리는 맘에 마찰이 down waiting your love yeah we get it stuck on your life magnetic yeah lose control 나의 그 한마디에 push shove 날 밀고 당겨 ooh yeah 해가지도 넌 빛이 나 까마득한 여름밤들이 나 Straight up take it away 너와 함께 더 깊어져가는 night let's go on a ride baby you can be magnetic 거부할 수 없어 내 맘이 정해 또 아무리 stuck on your life magnetic yeah 우리의 눈빛 마찰이 down 떨리는 맘에 마찰이 down waiting your love yeah we get it stuck on your life magnetic yeah take you girl fly to the moon
Okay, that was smooth.
buckle up don't let it slow down it's crazy how we holding hands now
Yeah, that's so good.
another round we dancing off the ground we on the naked can make
Okay, you're getting dangerous.
switching lanes don't wanna go don't say goodbye
What a different vibe than it just really single. Ah,
we should deny it 오늘 밤 넌
duality.
please don't let me go baby I can be
That expression.
even though we don't
Nope.
admit it feeling your touch I with it struck on your love magnetic yeah oh you got my mind all messed up
I don't think I realized the danger I was setting myself up for when watching this.
struck on your love
Feel it now.
baby you can be magnetic lose control stuck on your love magnetic yeah lose control
And back to fortress. And we're at the end. Pretty much it. Interesting. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that it was definitely all a one take camera direction style. Very like smooth and chill, very screw it, I'll say it. Had a sexy vibe to it, or like a, I don't know, I kinda wanna say sultry, but I don't know if it goes into that realm. Whatever. It was nice. It was with attacks. Especially like I can handle Rain's attacks because I don't know, I kind of like understand like, you know, that's just who he is, but Jackson, yeah, need I say anymore? Alrighty, so this is really nice, very much more on the chill side, and I liked it. Interesting concept they went for with like a one take, everybody's frozen while it's just Rain and Jackson moving around, Loki dancing. But hey, I mean, it was very simplistic, but still really well done. It's a Rain music video, so of course it's gonna be really well done. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little curious if Jackson had any kind of input of ideas. Because I mean, I know Jackson, like, he can come up with the craziest, he has the greatest ideas for something, so I wonder if he did have any kind of contribution to this. Or if he completely, you know, just followed in the footsteps of Rain and whatever ideas he had. Not sure, but no matter what, I really liked it. And yeah. Alright, so that's my reaction to Rain featuring Jackson Wang's Magnetic. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction video. If you did, hit the like button below. Comment below what you thought of the MV, what you thought of my video, and anything else that you want to comment below. Go right ahead. Check out my previous videos, the link right here. If you want to subscribe, the link right here. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on and set it to all. That way you won't miss an upload from me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. 안녕히 계세요.